Last one in will be Alpine Moon. Goes in. They're in the gate. And they're off. A perfect start. So Red the Rose, the first one to show speed. Nurse Tompkins, forwardly placed with the favorite Grace Elizabeth, moving up to the outside, going to make it a little bit tight there on the inside too. Grace Elizabeth in front by 3 parts of length, under the wire for the first time. So Red the Rose, hard ridden to keep up in second. Alpine Moon moves up to the outside now, as her stablemate sets the pace. Then comes Nurse Tompkins, tucked in along the inside in that 4th spot. Bellamy Nose moves outside now and takes that 4th position. The trailer is Whiz Pass. So they head towards the backstretch. An opening quarter in 23-2 and the favorites in front. Grace Elizabeth with a wall of pursuers behind her. Bellamy Nose, the first one to pick up the chase. Alpine Moon goes third as So Red the Rose backpedals to 4th. Whiz Pass moves up outside and the trailer is now Nurse Tompkins. 3 furlongs to go. Grace Elizabeth still running the point. The half mile in 48-1. It's a measured pace being set by Grace Elizabeth, who's still in hand. Her stablemate now picks up the chase from second as Alpine Moon moves in on the leader. Less than a quarter mile to go. Bellamy Nose could not stick with the top 2. Nurse Tompkins rallies out wide. At the rail, So Red the Rose and Whiz Pass. A furlong from home, and Arnaldo Bocachica looking around for competition, and he sees them getting further and further away. Look at this filly, Grace Elizabeth, just stride past the 16th pole. Never asked to run at all. An impressive performance by a talented filly. Grace Elizabeth by 4.5 over Alpine Moon, Nurse Tompkins, and Whiz Pass. The final time, 1:26-3.